Hello there, little kids. I'm Miss Melon, and today I'm going to teach you some phonics of K, M, L, and O. Now let's do it together. Look, friends, the first letter today that we have is K. Can you say K? K. And the sound K makes is K. K. K is for kite. K is for key. And K is for koala. Now say it with me. K is for kite. Now let's see. This is L. Say it with me, kids. L. And the sound L makes is L is for lion. L is for leaf. L is for lamp. Let's say it together. L is for lion. Now here comes M. Can you say M? This is M. And the sound M makes is It's a funny sound. M is for moon. M is for milk. M is for monkey. Say it with me. M is for moon. Now let's look at this one. This is N. Say it with me. N. And the sound N makes is N is for nest. Great job. N is for nose. And N is for nut. Let's say it together. N is for nest. And now we have an O. Say it with me. O. And the sound O makes is O. O. O is for orange. O is for octopus. O is for owl. Say it with me, kids. O is for orange. Great job, little friends. Hey kids, do not forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel so that you can learn with me every single day.